email list automatically? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a sign-up form in Brevo step by step. We'll build a form, customize its design, connect it to a contact list, and publish it on your website so new subscribers can join your audience with ease. First, visit the Brevo website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the Forms section. This is where you can create and manage all of your sign-up forms. Next, click Create Form to start building your sign-up form. Give it a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. If multiple form types are available, choose the one that best fits your needs. Now customize the form by selecting the fields you want to include. Most forms ask for an email address, and you can also add fields like a first name or last name if you want to personalize future emails. After that, adjust the colors, fonts, buttons, and layout so everything matches your website or brand. Once your form is ready, connect it to the contact list where new subscribers should be added. You can also enable features like double opt-in, confirmation emails, or a custom thank you message, depending on the settings available in your account. When everything is configured, so publish your form, Brevo may provide an embed code, a shareable link, or website integration options. Copy the appropriate code or link and place it wherever you want visitors to subscribe. Finally, test your sign-up form by submitting a sample email address. Then check your Brevo contacts to confirm the new subscriber appears in the correct list and that any confirmation emails or automation workflows are working properly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a sign-up form in Brevo in 2026. A well-designed sign-up form is one of the easiest ways to grow your audience and build your email list over time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Brevo tutorials and email marketing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.